wallet? May I see your wallet? So mag-book ni hotel diri ani mag-sleep.
Welcome to my room.
Welcome to Lassiter's. So mo niya mo ang hotel. So in front is swimming pool.
So your bracelet's ready to be picked up.
Yep.
I need to go to the post office to check.
May shi. So mga karga guys, diabot na yun. Grabe ko kapoy. Kapoy kaayo ang bro ha.
Wash my hands.
So mo ang luggage. TV o kani amo ang bed is super big. Pero mas gusto ko atong duha ka bed kay isa-isa min hindi para makatulog kung tarong no. Amo ang food. Dagan kami gidala no kay 4 days mi diri sa Alice.
Oh my goodness.
And
Darling.
amo ang food, yeah.
Quickly make a sandwich each here.
Mhm.
Sandwich each, see if we get some energy and go.
Okay.
Oh, I don't want to go, Ning. I'm not really in the mood for. Yeah, tell me a lot. Everyone can look.
Coffee and tea. English tea.
Susan.
Mm. Hello. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
I'm here to pick up my jewelries.
Oh, very nice. What's your last name?
Jennifer. But finally, it's here now. So cute. Sorry.
No, that's okay.
So this is the
That's the extra one.
okay.
Still, it's worth. You still got your stones in there, and you
Thank
still
you.
got the gold as well.
Yeah,
You can make them maybe into. Oh, sorry.
that's nice.
Into earrings or something. Oh my gosh.
So cute.
There you go.
Wow. Thank you.
That's okay.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Dinner.